So yesterday we already had a sort of meeting where we discussed what would be the feasible way of giving classes, and as most of you have given your opinion that recorded classes are better, so today I am hosting a recorded class on the topic circular flow of income from macroeconomics. So as I mentioned yesterday that the very first chapter till the last chapter of macro, they are well connected. So understanding the concepts are very important. Okay. So first we are moving to the circular flow of income. Now before we move to the chapter, we will just have a quick a recap of what we studied in economics so far. Let's start with human wants first. Yesterday also I mentioned, but then many of you could not connect. So what is the feature of human wants? I think you all are giving the answer. Human wants are unlimited, right? Human wants are unlimited. So to fulfill human wants, what is required? Production of goods and services. Goods and services is required. Yes or no? To fulfill the unlimited wants of human beings, production is required. What is production? Production is producing goods and services, that is required. So when we are talking, if human wants are unlimited, what is production? Production is also a continuous. It is a continuous process, right? Can there be ever an end to production? No. Production process is a continuous process since human wants are unlimited. Now coming to the question of production. How is production organized? How do we organize our production? This is the basic concept of economics, that in any production of goods and services, there is requirement of 4 factors of production. Yes, and yesterday already very promptly some of you gave the answer. What are the 4 factors of production? These are land, labor, capital and enterprise. Yes. So production has to be organized. How is the production to be organized? Using the 4 factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and enterprise. Now, the land, labor, capital, enterprise, what do we call them as together? They are the factor services. Yes or no? These land, labor, capital, enterprises, they are providing their factor services and helping in the production of goods and services. Now, since these are contributing to the production process, land, labor, capital and enterprise, they need to be paid or they have to be given the remuneration. Yes? So what is the remuneration they will get? They get remuneration in the form of wages, rent, interest and profit. Yes, what is the remuneration for labor? Remuneration for the labor is wages. For land it is rent. Capital will get interest and enterprise gets profit. So this, what are these together called? These are called the factor payments. Yes. So we are getting 2 things here. One is factor services. What are the factor services? The productive services comes in the form of land, labor, capital, enterprise, and these factor services gets factor payments. And what are these factor payments? Wages, rent, interest, profit. Now we will be talking how the factor payment, because of the factor services, factor payment comes. Now what is done with this factor payment? This factor payment becomes income for the people. Yes or no? When there is production in the economy results in factor payment. and the factor payment is income for a group of people. Now what do we do with our income? We spend income, we take up expenditure to fulfill our unlimited human wants. Okay? So we see that because of production, pay a notice here, because of production, what is happening? Production is resulting in factor payment. Factor payment means income. And what we are doing with income? We are taking up expenditure. Where are we spending our income? We are spending our income on goods and services. Goods and services that is coming from the production units. Now you see, whatever income was generated here, that income was distributed amongst the factors, and that income is again going back to the production house in the form of expenditure. So income is generated, income is distributed, income is going back to the production unit in form of disposition or expenditure. I hope this part is clear. Now let me draw the three phases. So we will take out the three phases now. So what are the three phases? I am showing it on this side. Keeping this, the three phases in circular flow. Circular flow of income. The first phase is production phase. The production phase. Second phase is income phase. And the third phase is expenditure phase. Expenditure phase. So we are getting there are three phases in the circular flow of income. And what is circular flow? Income flows in a circle. What is happening in the production phase? This phase we can also term it as the farm sector. Production is being done by the farm, so we can term it as the farm sector. So production is taking place here, and because of production, what is production? Flow of goods and services. What is flow of goods and services? What is the other term we use for that? GDP. What is GDP? It's income. Alright. So because of production, what we see? Income is, here income is generated. Yes. In the production phase, because of the flow of goods and services, income is generated. Now this income is distributed here. So from the production phase we see income is distributed. Who is getting this income? The land, labor, wages, land, labor, capital and enterprise. And who is providing this? These services are provided by the household sector. Yes, another sector we are getting, the household sector. Right? So income is generated in the production phase. Income is distributed in the income phase in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit. Now this income again is going back to the farm in the form of expenditure that people take up. So what we see, whatever income is generated, whatever income is distributed, the same amount of income is spent by the people and it again flows back to the production unit. So what is circular flow of income now? Circular flow of income refers to the process in which income is generated in the production phase and then this income is distributed, which again flows back to the production unit in the form of consumption expenditure taken up by the people on goods and services that comes from the farm sector. Okay, so this is called the circular flow of income. I am writing the definition here. So what is circular flow of income? Keeping that chart in mind, we see it refers to, what is circular flow of income? It refers to the flow of income from the to the household sector in the form of factor what? Factor payments. Yes? These are the factor payments, or you can say these are the factor income, right? Factor payments or factor income, which again flows back to the, where will it flow back? To the production unit, What is this production unit called? In other words, it is the firms, okay, to the production units in the form of consumption, expenditure. Yes? Where is this consumption expenditure incurred? In the form of consumption expenditure incurred on goods and services that come from farms. Yes? So the flow of income is completed. Income is generated here, and this income flowing through the household comes back to the production unit. This is called the circular flow of income. So this is very important. Production phase, another name for production phase is generation phase. Income phase is called distribution phase because income is distributed here, and then expenditure phase is also called the disposition phase. Now when in the next chapter we take up accounting, national income accounting, we will see that national income is counted in 3 different ways. There is production method, income method, expenditure method, and all the 3 methods when we use for calculating national income, we get the same value. What does it mean? That the value of production is the value of income received by the people, and the value of income is the value of expenditure that people incur on goods and services. I think I'll stop here for today. If I'm going very fast, you keep seeing the video 2-3 times. Try to understand, and I'll also give I think you will note down this in your notebooks. Alright? And then this definition also you will note down, and that is the 3 phases in the circular flow. Alright, production phase, I am just writing on this side. What are the other names here? Production phase is also called the generation phase, then distribution phase, and then we have the disposition phase. The same thing out there. What I have shown there, it can also be written like this. These are the 3 phases in the circular flow of income. And how does the income flow? It flows from the farm sector to the household sector. Then the household sector take up expenditure, and this expenditure again goes back on the goods and services which is produced by the production unit. And this is the circular flow of income. So what are the 3 phases in circular flow of income? Production phase, income phase, expenditure phase, or we can term it as generation phase, distribution phase, and